Welcome to Tech Tips for the Ruger LC Carbine. This is going to be disassembly. First off, you notice I have my workspace is clear. I have no ammunition, no magazines. I have my safety glasses and my included disassembly tools. First thing we're going to do is make sure that the carbine is clear. You can see I have the chamber flag in here. So I'm going to pull the charging handle to the rear, lock the bolt, let that chamber flag fall out. I'm going to visually inspect, make sure the chamber is clear. Now I can ease the bolt forward and we are on safe. We are ready to disassemble. First thing we need to do is push out the disassembly pin. This can be done fairly easily. We're just going to press on that pin and you can see it coming out. You can do this from either direction, doesn't matter, left or right. With that pin removed, the next thing I want to do is turn the gun over. I'm going to pull back on the grip frame assembly, just about 1/4 inch, and that slides right off. Now we can set this aside. There's nothing else we need to do with the grip frame assembly. Next thing we need to do is to remove the bolt. This is a 2-piece bolt. You'll remove the rear bolt first. This is a two-handed operation. So what I'm going to have to do is pull the charging handle to the rear, and I'm going to get the rear bolt just past the breech end of the barrel, and I'm going to reach in and just pull up on it. It will slide right out. Okay, now I'm going to carefully ease the charging handle forward. The next step is to remove the recoil spring. So I'm just going to reach in, grab this buffer pad, and if I pull up on that, the recoil spring assembly also slides right out. And then finally, to remove the front portion of the bolt, again I'm going to pull the charging handle to the rear, slide that bolt back until I can just pick it up and remove it from the receiver. That completes your bolt removal. Next we're going to move on to the handguard. Using your included Allen wrench, there are 3 screws that retain the handguard. We're going to remove those, and that will allow us to remove the handguard for cleaning. Okay, we're going to keep those in a safe place so we don't lose those. With those 3 screws out, the handguard can now be removed for disassembly for cleaning. And finally, we're going to remove the stock, which again, using the included Allen wrench, simply remove the 1 screw, and you only need to remove it part way. You just need to loosen it enough that it will come off of the Picatinny rail section that's in the rear there. At this point, your Ruger LC Carbine is completely disassembled for inspection and cleaning. Thank you for watching this Ruger Tech Tip.